In this video, I will show you how to get rich and how to get multiple income streams. Without income streams, you cannot get rich. So first of all, you need income streams, and you can thereafter whatever you want to do, like investment, all sort of thing for multiply money. So you need to get first of all income streams. How do you get income streams? How do you earn more money? Something like that. This video would be. So I have couple of points. Here is my point. Number one is change mindset. You need to change mindset first of all. Number one. So what kind of mindset you need to change? So if you feel like making money is so easy and it's so fast, if I try to do that, never it's work. You try that, you never making money fast. If you want to make money fast, you need to sell your kidney or bank robbery. Nothing else work here. You need to put time. It takes some time, and thereafter you can get income stream. So how do you earn more money? You need to try earlier time, whatever age you are in. You are 30, 20, 40, whatever. You need to start now. Now, man, all thing would be now. If you want to do any task, so like if you want to do exercise, do that, done. So like that way you need to work. So mental work, thinking, think and grow is, I said before, the power of positive thinking. Read this book and think and grow is as well. Read this book, think and grow is. So thinking is the most powerful thing, I would say. If you think good, if you think positive, and you can, if you think positive, you will get positive result. Keep in mind. So how to physical, like this type of thing, physical, how to change physical thing? My physical thing is wasn't like that. I did exercise, and I have been doing that for um, 3 4 months, like something like that, 7 months. I see change my body. So change that physical change, you need to do that as well. So number two is action taker. Do action take. Whatever work you get, if someone give you work, do that. If he give you money, no problem, done that. If you want to do that, if you are able to solve this problem, do that. I recommend you. Action taker. Do action taker. All action you need to take. It's like action taker is an pros and cons is, if you take a massive action, you can get a lot of experience about this world, about their work, about this world as well. Those are doing hard work, they are intelligent, they are knowledgeable, I would say. So doing work in this world, if you want to live, you need to do work. So take action, massive action, better than other people, more than other people you know so cons, if you don't take action, you are lazy, maybe. No one like lazy, even God don't like lazy. If you are lazy, you are not in belief God. So keep in mind, you need to be massive action taker. Whether position you are in, no problem, you can control yourself. I know you don't need to control your around, you don't need to control your parent, your family, you need to control yourself. If you want, you can take massive action. So do that. So number three, number one has been sense mindset. Number two, I have talked already, action taker. Number three is right now I will share with you, learning. The more you learn, the more you earn. You need to learn a lot of things. If someone given don't give any money, go there for learning. What kind of, like, how do this work, do, like how this work does work, and learn from them. Do that. Like the more you learn, you can as well read book, this type of book, for learning how to psychology work, how to money work, all sort of thing. You can learn how to money work, how to world work, those type of thing. Read book and doing course from online. If you are interested about any specific field, you can take from course online. It should be better any field. It's better than school, college, university online course, because they are master and you can learn from them. they are already getting result from this specific field. Let's say you want to learn Python. So Python master, they build apps already, a successful apps already, and you can learn from them how to build apps. So do that. So skill and all thing you learn, it's either uh, it's either help you or not. No, you can learn as well bad thing, but you know that how it's work. You can learn all of thing, learn all of thing in this world. Don't waste time learning always. So number 4 is add and avoid. So what do you need to avoid, what do you need to add? So avoid toxic friend. 99% people, those are just sitting on chair or couch watching TV and eating popcorn, and fat people. Forget them and avoid them. You need to be, you are here for one person, so you need to be obsessed, not averse. So avoid toxic friend, avoid 99% people. So environment, if you are not suitable for any environment, you can change that. You can go anywhere where people, where in that environment help you. So it's not necessary to go anywhere. You can change yourself. If you change yourself, you can do whatever you want. But after that, if you cannot able to do your good work, you can change your environment. Like in your environment, if someone like don't do any good work, any good habit, you can change that environment to go anywhere. But you can do that in your environment. It's either any bad or good thing happen, but you can, like in my it's my room, so I'm doing all of things from this room, and out of the room you see already that I have exercise, a workout place where I can do as well my exercise. So that's it. And nah, and after that you need to change yourself. If you change yourself, no need for going anywhere, no need for, so no need for avoid friend. Change yourself and doing hard work, learning always, and that's it. I'm hoping you will get something from this video. See you later in the next video.